In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use appointments on GoDaddy website. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account. From your account dashboard, go to My Products and find the website you want to update. Once you locate it, click Edit Website to open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Inside the editor, look for the Add Section option. Click it to browse the available section types for your site. From the section categories, select Appointments. GoDaddy will show you different layout options for this feature. Choose the appointments layout that fits your site and add it to the page. After the section is added, click on the New Appointments section to open its management settings. This is where you will create the services that visitors can book. Select Add Service to begin setting up your first appointment option. Enter the name of the service clearly so visitors know exactly what they are booking. Then add a description that explains what the service includes. After that, set the service duration. This determines how long each appointment will last. If you charge for the service, enter the price in the pricing field. Once all of those details are complete, save the service information. Next, move to the availability settings for your appointments. Choose the days of the week when you want to accept bookings. Then set your business hours and define the available appointment time slots within those hours. This step is important because it controls when customers can schedule time with you. When your availability is set, review the booking settings along with the service information you entered. Make sure the service name, description, duration, pricing, and available times are correct. If everything looks good, save all of your appointment and availability settings. Return to the Website Builder editor and check how the Appointments section appears on your page. Confirm that the layout looks clean and that the booking details are displayed correctly for visitors. If you need to make any changes, you can edit the section before publishing. Once you are satisfied with the setup, click Publish to make the Appointments section live on your website. After publishing, open your live site and test the booking form yourself. Go through the booking process to confirm that appointments can be scheduled successfully and that the form works as expected. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.